Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. Welcome to QuickBooks Time. We'll show you where to track time, see who's working, and review and approve time so you can run payroll and invoice customers. Then at the end of the video, we'll share resources that will help you set up QuickBooks Time. Select Time. Time entries. As a QuickBooks Time admin, you can add weekly or single time entries to record the time you and your employees worked in the past, or select Currently Working to clock in. Then enter the customer or project worked on and the services performed. If your organization invoices customers for time worked, select the Billable checkbox. Enter any notes for your records and confirm the time zone. Select Save when you're done. You can also track time using the QuickBooks Workforce app or the Time Clock kiosk. To do all this, you'll need to set up your team. And if you want to track time worked by customer, project, or any custom fields, you'll also need to set those up. We'll share a guide at the end of this video to show you how to do that. QuickBooks Time admins can track who's working. Select Time Team. Who's working, to see a list of clocked-in employees, what they're working on, and even their GPS location if they use the QuickBooks Workforce mobile app when they clock in. QuickBooks Time admins can also run time reports. Payroll time reports break time down into regular hours, overtime, and paid time off by pay period. Itemized total time report lets you view time by customers or projects and billable status. If you're a QuickBooks Time admin and you spot something you want to change, select Time Entries. From here, you can review your team's time and make edits. At the end of the work week or pay period, it's time to approve the time worked. Approving time locks it and prepares it for payroll. If everything looks right, select Approve. You can also approve time entries in a batch. To run payroll for the time your team worked, you'll first need to set up payroll. Select Payroll, and follow the steps and videos to set it up. After you've set up payroll, select Employees. Then run payroll. Now that you've seen what QuickBooks Time can do, it's time to get set up. Check out this admin guide with videos on how to set up your account.